Gain the traction you need to get ahead. This AWD Rogue will get you where you want to go with an advanced intuitive all-wheel drive system that maximizes fuel efficiency and delivers the power to the wheels that need it when they need it. Includes the 360-degree value package, 16 alloy wheels, privacy glass, auto-dimming inside mirror, rear view monitor and mirror, rear hatch spoiler, chrome grille finisher, aluminum kick plates, floor and cargo mat splash guards.